Let's try to do a legendary Devout. Let's bring in some troops. How about if we attack first? There we go. Turn that off. Put you guys on hold. Put you over there so you can distract them a little bit. All right, let's start that way. First thing we got to get rid of is a couple of these bunkers. Harbinger will do that quite nicely. And our goal is to get the least amount of damage. It doesn't always happen. We're going to try. Got it. Get this one as soon as you get too many troops in there. So otherwise, normally I would send the Jericho to do some killing right now. But he has to wait. We should end up with about 3 minutes left. There's a quicker way, I'm sure. But this works for me. It's all that matters. Slowly pick the base apart. Come on, one more. I should have known. You're not going to do it. All right, there you go. Get rid of him. Now we'll bring Jericho back in. Deploy. All right. Got to go over here. While they distract them. And there's one right back here that you got to get rid of. All right. Now go over here. Get rid of the power source. Get rid of the anti-air. You don't want them killing your Proteus. How about an orbital hammer goes away? Get in this time. Come on, come on, come on. No, not going to get him yet. There we go. Get rid of the CC. Get out of there. All right, now let's start the fun of killing it without losing all of our troops. All right, right there. Now we need to get, that's good enough. Deselect, deselect. All right, let's take out these guys first. Take them out. All right, now we got to get rid of the tune producing buildings. Look out, he's shooting at you. Easy to do when that thing's not there. And one more. Get rid of that guy, then we can start marching through. Here they come. All right. It's good right there. All right. We're just going to slowly advance them. Let them kill off stuff as it comes. The Devlin is a distraction. They all try to kill him while you kill them. And my Dark Storm is taking a beating. Gotta be more careful. And my Proteus is getting killed. Not wise. That's what you got to be careful of. If you're not careful, these guys will sneak in and get you. Come on, come get my dev. Let me kill you. All right, now we got to distract these two bunkers down here. So we'll do that with him, and then we'll bring in our Dark Storm. No. Deselect to cover up those bases. Oh, he died. It's all right. He's only 5 minutes. As you can see, you don't do it well and you get whacked. That's all right. It's not the end of the world. That's it. Put them on Ruby and they'll clear the rest. 4 minutes left. Unfortunately, Proteus, I wasn't paying attention. He was getting whacked by the guy on the edge. The Darkstorm. But, hey, there's no big hurry. The biggest benefit of this base is it reduces significantly what we get today. Yeah, I'm not getting anything because I've done too many of them. All right. Show you. See this next level? 22,894. That goes down 1 billion every time you do one of those bases. So all those doubters about where you get your points, they go down by 1 billion. So the next one will be 21. So if you do 22 of those bases, you will level up. Maybe there's something we can learn. See if the platoon is back. 2 hours. So we got Darkstorm, Lightbringer, Proteus, Leviathan, 2 Wastelanders, Devon. He'll take 5 minutes. All right, that was it. Go and do likewise.